Hey, natural hair queens. Today we are talking about one of the most beautiful ways to rock your natural hair. Twists are like a warm hug for your natural curls. They look amazing and they are so gentle on your hair. The best part about this hairstyle is the options are endless. You can go for chunky twists for a bold, juicy look, or mini twists if you want a style that lasts for weeks. You can even pin them up into an elegant bun for a special occasion. The shrinkage actually works in your favor here, giving your hair that thick, luscious volume we all love. Let's be real, the secret to a great twist hairstyle isn't just how you start, it's how you maintain it. We want those twists to stay juicy, not frizzy. So here are my top 4 friendly tips to keep your 4C hair thriving while it is twisted up. Hydration is your best friend. Every 2 or 3 days, give your hair a light mist of water or a watery leave-in conditioner. Our 4C hair is dusty, so don't be afraid to give a little drink. Just a light spray is enough to keep the strands flexible. Use a natural oil like olive, jojoba, or a bit of shea butter on your ends to seal that moisture in. This stops the water from evaporating and prevents those specky split ends. Don't over-manipulate your hair. The more you pull out your twists, the frizzier they get. Let them be. And finally, the golden rule. Always sleep with your satin bonnet or scarf. It's the difference between waking up with fresh twists and waking up with a tangled mess. Your hair will thank you for the extra love. Remember, your 4C natural hair is unique, strong, and absolutely stunning. Take your time, enjoy the process, and wear your natural hair twist with a big smile. You've got this. Thank you for watching and stay beautiful. If you found this video helpful, please do well to like, share, and subscribe to this channel for more hairstyle and content like this. Thank you for watching and stay beautiful. If you found this video helpful, please do well to like, share and subscribe to this channel for more hairstyle and content like this.